Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to track your investments and savings with PocketSmith. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is simply head over to your app store, then on the search bar type in PocketSmith and simply tap on the app, and then tap on the get button and follow the option prompts to successfully download the app. Then once downloaded, what you need to do is sign up and link your bank accounts, credit cards and investment accounts, and PocketSmith supports multiple currencies, making it easy to track investments and saving across accounts. Next step is to add savings and investment accounts. Simply navigate to the account by tapping on the profile icon on the top right and tap on add account and select a saving account, term deposits or investment accounts. Then input starting balances and set account types from savings, investment, cash or credit. The next step is to set up goals. Go to the goals tab and then add a goal by simply categorizing from emergency fund, home deposit or retirement from defined target amount, timeline and contribution frequency. PocketSmith will calculate how much to save each month to reach your goal. The next step is to track your investments and growth. View your net worth dashboard to see total assets and liabilities. Track investment growth and returns over time with visual charts. PocketSmith provides historical trends, allowing you to see how your investment perform month over month. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.